Hey lovelies! Today we have a Leopard Print Accent Nail. From the Sweet Cravings collection we have Sprinkles. I love this pink. It is so soft and beautiful. For my design, I used Tanger, 175, and Makartts Black. I recently got this new resin stone art palette, and I have loved her so much. She makes doing art so easy. For this design, you'll need a dotting tool and a liner brush, but if you don't have a liner brush, you can just use the dotting tool for this design. Now this is a moment that you really have to trust the process, because while you're putting these on, they look super crazy, but you have to make sure that they're all like kind of angled and they're not perfect. They're like messy little ovals. In the description box below, I'll include Naio Nails tutorial. That's really the tutorial I watched before I created this look, and it really helped me a lot because I've never created a leopard print look before. This is my first time. So it's important to kind of work in C shapes and never to completely cover the entire like kind of blob because you really want to create that unique pattern. This is where the design really starts to take life and you can really see that leopard print. Now I know earlier it looked like a hot mess, but with nails you gotta trust the process. There are layers to this. A few nights ago, on Shein, I saw these gorgeous pajamas, and that was really the inspiration for these nails. So I went up on YouTube trying to figure out everything I could, and I think this turned out pretty darn good for the first time. This is one of my favorite things, the glossy top coat. Ooh la la. Thank you so much for watching this look with me today on Nailed It! And I hope I see you tomorrow. If you'd like to join the nail family, then please subscribe down below. Mwah! In the description box below will be all the products I used and a discount code of 15%, so check that out.